Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made two different versions of this paw reading sign that I had seen at Oriental Trading. I was already going to buy it, but I thought if I could find an SVG, I'm going to try to make one. So using a DollarTree sign, this is what I came up with. This was the sign. I happen to have it in my stash. I don't know if they still have them. And I took some sandpaper and I made sure I got all the glitter off. And then I traced it onto a piece of 12 by 12 inch white cardstock because I'm going to be doing all my artwork on the cardstock, and then I'll be Mod Podging that to the sign. I traced out the sign and cut it out. And then with some of my inks, because I am a card maker, so I have a lot of inks, I started in the center with some pinks and then worked my way out with different shades of blue. And then once that was dry, I took a spray bottle and I misted my paper to give it a few blotches to make it look like a galaxy. And then I took a 5-inch circle, yellow circle out of yellow paper, and then I also added some ink to that to make it look like it had dimension. And this was the SVG that I purchased, and I had to add some to the bottom of it so that it would fit our sign, and I heat embossed the All 9 Lives revealed with white embossing powder. And I glued everything together, and this is how that turned out. And then with some Mod Podge, I just adhered it to my sign. And I covered up the holes with the paper because I'm just going to keep it on an easel stand. And I think it came out pretty cute. It's the same idea. It's not exactly the same, but the idea is there. And then I made a second one because I wanted one for my daughter. This one actually uses one of these wooden block snow globes that Dollar Tree has out right now. I took the picture and I imported it into the program called Remove Background, and that way I could import it into my Cricut so that I could make my image as a flattened image right onto the shape and cut it out. Where the other one, I actually cut the witches out of construction paper and I glued it on. This is just one piece that was print and cut. And then I took my actual sign and I put some elephant chalk paint on it. And then once that was dry, I used some Mod Podge and I added my image to the front. Unfortunately, my ink wasn't dry and I did smudge it and I was a little sad, but it's okay. So I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care. He's actually biting me right now.